Hello little explorers, welcome to Lil Thoughts TV. Today we are going deep under the sea to meet 30 amazing sea animals. Each one is unique and special. So let's dive in together and start our underwater adventure. So the first animal is fish. Fish are most common sea animal. They breathe with gills, swim with fins, and come in all colors. Next is dolphin. Dolphins are playful and super smart. They talk to each other using sounds called clicks and whistles. Third one is whale. Giant blue whale. It's the largest animal on earth, even bigger than dinosaur. Next come shark. Sharks are powerful hunters, but not all sharks are scary. The whale shark is gentle and eats tiny plankton. The next sea animal is octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and can change colors to hide. If they feel danger, they squirt ink and swim away. The next sea animal is squid. Squids are fast swimmers with long tentacles. The giant squid can grow as long as a bat. The 7th one is jellyfish. Jellyfish look like floating umbrellas. They have no brain, no bones, and some of them can even glow in the dark. The next one is crab. Crabs walk sideways and use their strong pincers to catch food and protect themselves. Now kids, the next one is lobster. Lobsters live on the ocean floor and have hard shells. They can even live for more than 50 long years. Isn't that amazing? Now comes the sea turtle. Sea turtles are gentle travelers. They swim across oceans and always return to the same beach to lay eggs. The 11th sea animal is seahorse. Seahorses are tiny magical creatures. The males carry the babies in their pouch, and how amazing is that? Now comes starfish. Starfish aren't really fish. They have 5 arms, and if they lose one, they can grow it back. Wow, what an amazing fact! Now before going forward, if you like this video, please hit the bell icon so that you never miss these interesting videos. Now kids, let's see the next one. It's stingray. Stingrays look like underwater kites. They flap their fins like wings and glide smoothly through the water. The 14th animal is penguin. Penguins cannot fly, but they are wonderful swimmers. They dive into icy waters to catch fish. The next one is seal. Seals love to swim and rest on rocks. They are playful and can clap their flippers. The next sea animal is sea lion. Sea lions are loud and social. They bark like dogs and love to gather in groups. The next sea animal is walrus. Walruses have big tusks and whiskers. They use their tusks to climb out of icy water. The next one is polar bear. Polar bears depend on sea to hunt seals. They are strong swimmers and love the icy ocean. The next animal is eel. eels look like snakes, but they are actually fish. They hide in rocks and pop out to catch prey. Now comes sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are soft, slow animals that clean the ocean floor by eating tiny particles. Now comes sea urchin. Sea urchins are round and spiky. They use their little spines to move and protect themselves. Now comes coral. Corals look like colorful plants, but they are tiny animals that build huge reefs, homes for many sea creatures. Now it's time for another sea animal, manatee. Manatees are called sea cows. They are gentle giants who love too much on seagrass. The next sea animal is dugong. Dugongs are close cousins of manatees. They have fluked tail like dolphins and are very shy. The next sea animal is swordfish. Swordfish have long, sharp bills like swords. They use them to slash through schools of fish. The next sea animal is shrimp. Shrimps are small but important. They clean the ocean by eating tiny bits of plants and animals. The next sea animal is oysters. Clams or oysters, they live inside the shells. Some oysters can even make pearls. Wow, what an amazing fact. Next comes the hermit crab. Hermit crabs borrow empty shells to live in. And when they grow bigger, they move into a bigger shell. The next sea animal is lanternfish. Lanternfish live in the deep sea. They glow in the dark, lighting up the ocean like tiny stars. And kids, the last one is anglerfish. Anglerfish look scary with big teeth, but they have a glowing light on their head to attract food in the dark, deep sea. Now, let's do a quick recap of what we have learned today. Fish, dolphin, whale, shark, octopus, squid, jellyfish, crab, lobster, sea turtle, seahorse, starfish, stingray, penguin, seal, sea lion, walrus, polar bear, eel, sea cucumber, sea urchin, coral, manatee, dugong, swordfish, shrimp, oysters, hermit crab, lanternfish, and anglerfish. Wow, kids! So today we met 30 wonderful sea animals, from tiny shrimps to giant whales. Each one is special and helps keep our oceans alive. Always remember, protecting the sea means protecting all these amazing creatures. Thank you for joining our ocean adventure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time, explorers. Bye-bye.